When people recommend a dependable used sedan, the Honda Accord is almost always near the top of the list. But this 2021 Accord EXL raises a better question. Are you buying a genuine long-term value, or paying extra for the Honda reputation? Inside, the first impression is simple. The cabin feels familiar, comfortable, and easy to understand. Apparently, the storage compartment would prefer to remain private. But that simplicity is part of the appeal. The important controls are physical, clearly labeled, and exactly where you would expect them. With the 1.5-liter turbo running, let's see how much practicality and refinement this EXL still offers as a used car. The backseat is one of the strongest arguments for buying the Accord instead of a newer compact sedan. This front seat is still set to my driving position, and I have useful knee room behind it. Rear air vents and charging ports make the space easier to live with. The open view toward the dashboard also keeps the cabin from feeling closed in. The center armrest sits at a comfortable height, and the wide bench gives passengers room to settle in. Taller adults may notice the sloping roofline, but legroom is the bigger story here. Even the extra sunlight helps the rear feel more spacious. The trunk continues the same argument. It is wide, deep, and large enough for groceries, luggage, camera gear, or a stroller without forcing you into a crossover. Under the floor, confirm the emergency equipment is present. And these releases let the rear seats fold when you need more length. With the seats folded, the Accord can carry longer items that would not fit inside the trunk alone. You still do not get the height or completely flat floor of an SUV, but for most daily errands, this sedan is more versatile than it looks. From the passenger seat, the EXL trim makes its strongest case. The leather, soft touch surfaces, and clean dashboard create a cabin that feels more upscale than a basic family sedan. The visor, map lights, and sunglass holder are ordinary features. But that is the point. Everything is easy to find, and nothing requires a tutorial. The infotainment screen is high enough to glance at without dominating the dashboard, while the climate controls remain separate. The center armrest provides useful storage. The hazard switch is obvious, and the charging connections are positioned where both front occupants can reach them. Newer cars may have larger displays and flashier graphics, but this cabin still gives you the technology you need without making the technology the entire experience. Up front, the LED lighting and broad grille give the Accord a mature look. This generation has aged well because Honda did not overlook it with fake vents or excessive decoration. This example was assembled in Marysville, Ohio, and now has about 57,000 miles. Exactly where service records begin to matter more than the familiar badge. Under the hood is the L15BE, a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder paired with a CVT. It delivers the efficiency and everyday power many Accord buyers want. At this mileage, check for leaks, warning lights, rough operation, and evidence that routine maintenance was not postponed. Earlier versions of this engine family received attention for fuel dilution, especially with repeated short trips in colder weather. That doesn't condemn every car, but it is another reason to review the records and pay for an independent pre-purchase inspection. Back in the driver's seat, the maintenance screen matters. Honda calculates service from operating conditions instead of one rigid mileage chart, so compare the displayed oil life with the paper records. By 57,000 miles, I would expect documented oil and filter changes, tire rotations, brake inspections, air and cabin filter service, and brake fluid change within the last 3 years. With 60,000 miles approaching, inspect the brakes, tires, suspension, drive belt, and fluids. Missing CVT service means budgeting for code 3. Plugs and coolant follow codes 4 and 5. The reverse camera is not especially high resolution by current standards, but the different viewing angles are genuinely useful. Test each one, confirm the image is stable, and check that the guidelines respond as expected. Now let's put it into drive and see whether the Accord's reputation holds up on the road. The EXL also gives you a comfortable driving position, memory seating, good outward visibility, and the safety technology buyers expect in a relatively modern midsize sedan. Features are valuable, but on a used car, verify that every one of them actually works. At town speeds, the Accord feels immediately natural. The steering is light, the accelerator is easy to modulate, and the brakes do not require an adjustment period. Despite the generous interior space, the car never feels cumbersome. The suspension is comfortable without becoming floaty. No more road imperfections come through, but the body remains controlled through turns. It strikes a convincing balance between the softer feel of a family sedan and the response of something slightly sportier. The CVT is smooth under light acceleration and mostly stays in the background. Push harder and the engine can hold a higher RPM, which some drivers will notice, but the trade-off is efficient everyday operation. While we're stopped, the physical driver assistance button is worth pointing out. You can activate the system without searching through the touchscreen, and the gauge cluster confirms the change immediately. Honda's safety features are helpful, but they are assists, not substitutes for attention. On any used example, make sure the camera and sensors work properly and that no accident repair has affected their calibration. Around town, the Accord's real strength is how little effort it demands. It is easy to place, easy to see out of, and comfortable enough to make a long commute feel manageable. Heading toward the ramp, the 1.5-liter turbo feels adequate rather than exciting. This is not the Accord for someone chasing performance, but normal commuting, passing, and merging are well within its ability. The car also feels more substantial at speed than many compact sedans. You get the space of a mid-sized car without the extra height, weight, and fuel use that often comes with a crossover. There it is, the merge power. It is not dramatic, but it gets up to highway speed confidently, and without much effort. Lane keeping assistance adds a gentle correction when the car begins moving toward a lane marking. The response is noticeable without feeling abrupt, although the driver still needs to keep both hands on the wheel and remain in control. At highway speed, road noise is present, but the cabin is calm enough for conversation and longer trips. The ride stays composed, visibility remains strong, and the Accord feels like a car built for covering everyday miles. At the time of this recording, dealer asking prices for comparable 2021 EXLs near this mileage run about $21,000 to $26,000, with roughly $23,000 at the center. History, condition, location, and fees determine where this one belongs. The 2021 Accord EXL is still one of the most complete used sedans you can buy, but it is not an automatic bargain simply because it is a Honda. A well-maintained example gives you the space, comfort, efficiency, and refinement to serve as a commuter, family car, and the road trip car in one. Buy the condition, the history, and the right price. This is the passing lane.